Hi everybody! Today we're going to be talking about tomatoes. It's summertime, the tomatoes are in season, they're at their max deliciousness, so we want to use them in everything. I'm going to be making this fresh, easy, delicious tomato sauce. Another reason this sauce is going to be extra great is because it has layers of umami taste. Umami is the result of amino acids called glutamates. Now glutamates can occur naturally, as they do in tomatoes, but they also can be teased out in different processes like fermentation or curing or aging. This sauce is extra delicious because it's going to have umami in the fresh tomatoes, but then there's also umami in the garlic that we're going to be adding. So the first step for making our tomato sauce is to remove the skins. There's a really easy way to do that, and that's by blanching our tomatoes. First thing you do is cut a little X in the bottom of your tomato. The goal is not to cook the tomatoes, it's only just to loosen that skin. So they only have to cook for about 30 seconds to a minute each. Now we're just going to pop it in the ice water because we want to stop the cooking. So my tomatoes are blanched and ready. I want to remove all the skins, then I'm going to remove the seeds but save the tomato water and chop up the flesh. So the first step of my sauce is to saute some garlic in some butter. Okay, so my garlic is light golden brown. I'm gonna add my tomatoes. Now we need some salt and pepper. So now I'm just gonna cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes until the tomatoes have broken down. Okay, so my tomatoes have broken down and softened, and now I'm gonna add that tomato water that we saved. So I've added umami-rich garlic to my sauce to bring out the umami taste. But you could add other ingredients as well. Mushrooms would be a great source of umami, sun-dried tomatoes, tomato paste, anchovy paste. These can all act as umami boosters. And now my sauce is nice and thick. I'm gonna add a few things to brighten it up. So the last step is just to taste your sauce and adjust any seasonings as necessary. Wow, it's delicious. You can really taste the umami from those beautiful in-season tomatoes. So now our sauce is ready, and I'm gonna can it so that we can enjoy it all year round. I have here some sterilized jars. I wanna leave about 1/4 of an inch of headspace at the top of each jar. So I'm just gonna clean the rims of my jar and put my sterilized tops on my jars. So the next step is just process these guys in boiling water. Once that's done, you take them out to a cool towel and let them sit until you hear the jars all pop. That means they're completely sealed. And then we can store them in a cool, dark place for as long as we want. So this is a great way to preserve that umami taste all year round.